Hi there, Michael from UPVC Spares for Repairs once more. Just look, all these gaskets that we've got, we've literally run out of space. But we've come up with an idea. Let's go and see what's going on outside. So this is what we've come up with. And we'll fill it. So now let's have a look how it got here. Wednesday morning, here comes the delivery of our new storage facility, our container for UPVC Spares for Repairs. Team are just waiting now for this container to be taken off the truck, ready to expand our operation here. Here's the man that can. Yes, go on, please. We're just going to put it down. Well, thanks for watching. We're hoping now to increase our stocks from around about 150 different gaskets up to over 200. So we're looking forward to some good inquiries down here at UPVC Spares for Repairs.